created a program called the Civilian Conservation Corps,
Oh, they're
or the
little.
CCC. Now, the main purpose of the CCC was to give men the means to provide food, clothing, and shelter for their families. And in exchange, these men built many beautiful recreation areas across the United States. Well, such as Beavers Bend State Park. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Beavers Bend, it is just one of Oklahoma's 50 state parks. And you know, we have approximately 7,500 acres right here inside Beavers Bend State Park today.
Those big old trees. Look at them all behind you.
There's another deer on the right. You know, here in the forest of Beavers Bend, we're going to find a variety of wildlife. Folks, we have white-tailed deer, rabbits, squirrels, raccoons, possums, armadillos, skunks, beaver, river otter, bobcat, coyote, wild turkey, wild boar. You know what, if y'all stay here long enough, you might even see a black bear or maybe even a Bigfoot. Now, ladies, I know what y'all are thinking.
Oh, right there.
And I used to not believe in Bigfoot either. Until my daughter married one. His name is Randy, and good Lord, that boy's ugly.